Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, took a bounce to 112.78 high from 111.80, and that has put a little bit of a dent in some of the markets. As we can see, the Australian dollar has backed away from that key level of 63.55 and is now trading around 62.60. In light of the pattern, overall, I feel that there is still bullish divergence and therefore could still see another up challenge to that top side of the range. Still look towards any pullback around 62.35 as a potential short-term base. And if we do see a break to that top side, then it would expose further to the rally of 65 cents as a potential target. Looking at the euro, the market backs away from that broad downtrend, which was seen around 99.35, and now pressures the downside support level, which is right where we are at the moment at 97.60-65. In light of the pattern, it is a little bit disappointing that the market has actually given back most of the gains in the last 2 days. Nevertheless, let's see if we can see a rebound from where we are and see the challenge back to that top side. So I'm not going to give up or abandon the top side challenge as of yet. Let's see if it does come back with further demand into today's session. The dollar yen, well, the market is near enough claiming that 150 area and still no intervention. We are still extremely overbought, and therefore, as I mentioned, and I do sound like a broken record, but the fact is that the Bank of Japan is no doubt monitoring the current situation, and like previously, we can see that there can be easily a snap to the downside of about 500 points. So that would put us back to around 143 to 144 as a potential target. I'm not looking to enter this market in terms of buying or looking bullish, but the fact is that we could see rejection from 150, 30, 50 area. With the little the small candles we can see here, you can see that the market is just gradually chipping away to the top side and not taking any real positions, as no doubt once the Bank of Japan most probably will intervene, then we will see this whipsaw price action. Sterling also weaker after it backs away from that resistant area somewhere around 114.45.95, and from the current pattern we've pulled away and now looking to 111.80 as the support level after taking out 112.60 overnight. Let's see if that level can hold. If we see a close under there of New York, then we could see a further slide back towards 109. I don't want to get too bearish because, as I said, the dollar rebounding has put a dent in some of the views, but let's see if it's sustainable, or will the dollar continue back to 113 with an objective of 115. Looking at gold, the market took a very heavy hit overnight and crushed the support level of 1,642 and reaches its objective, which was around 1,621 to 26. A key level at 21, if we see a break there, then we would have to look at the broader target, and that is around 1,520 to 1,550 as an initial move. Overall, though, the bears are still in control, and let's see how the market plays into today's support. So keep an eye on at this level around 21 to 26, and as I say, if it's breached, then that would give further scope to the downside. Wrapping up with oil, well, since rebounding off the level of $81, we can see the market has now recovered much of its losses and now looking towards the resistance that is seen around 85.20.40. A break there would give further scope towards $88, but I feel that the technicals are still heavy, so the market rebound may actually reverse and look back towards 81 as an initial target with 78.70 beneath. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.